Hey guys, Chris here with PhantomBuster, and in this video we're going to look at the Salesforce CRM Enricher Phantom available on PhantomBuster.com, which will help you migrate your data to your Salesforce CRM in just seconds. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to get started using this Phantom, we want to head on over to PhantomBuster.com and click on Browse Phantoms. Next, I'm going to sort by integrations on the left-hand side, and if I scroll up, I'll see Salesforce CRM Enricher. If I click on this title, I'll be sent to the Phantom overview page where I'll get an overview of exactly how this Phantom works. Now, before we get started, it's important to note that Salesforce only allows API access with their Enterprise subscription plan or above, or their Developer Edition, so you won't be able to use this Phantom unless you have one of these plans. If I click on the tutorial tab, I'll get a step-by-step summary of exactly how to set up this Phantom. But for now, I'm going to click on Use this Phantom. Now to get started using this Phantom, you need to connect to Salesforce. So to have the Phantom automate actions on your behalf, PhantomBuster needs to connect to your Salesforce account. Now you need your Salesforce username, Salesforce password, and your Salesforce security token. To get your Salesforce security token, I'm going to show you my Salesforce installment, and I'm going to go up to the top under my username and click on My Settings. Next, you want to go to the left-hand margin under Personal, and then scroll down to Reset My Security Token. Once you click this Reset Security Token button, you'll be emailed a new security token that you can plug into the Phantom. I've already taken care of this, so I'm going to go back to my Phantom. Now that I have everything set up, I'll go ahead and click on Save. Now here's where you tell the Phantom which contacts you want to import into your Salesforce. You have a couple options here. You can use a URL of a Google Sheet or CSV file containing the data that you want to import. Just make sure that the CSV or Google Sheets are publicly accessible. You can also choose to chain together your other Phantoms, and in the drop-down section, you want to choose the Phantom with the data that you want to import. For now, I'm going to choose the LinkedIn Search Export as the Phantom that I want to provide the data. You also have a few options. You can choose the Salesforce email property, which is the column containing emails, as well as the first name, last name, and you can add more properties down here by filling in the corresponding column name along with the internal name for an existing Salesforce field, following the example below. You can also choose the lead source property, which will choose which contacts you want to add the PhantomBuster tag to. But for now, everything looks good here, so I'm going to close this and click on Save. Now here's where you choose the behavior of the Phantom. You can choose to create only new contacts, you can update existing contacts, or you can create both new and existing contacts. For now, I'm going to leave this option checked and go ahead and click on Save. Now here's where you choose the launch settings of your Phantom. You can choose to launch this manually, repeatedly advanced, or every time another Phantom finishes, or just run this once. For now, I'm just going to leave it as manual. You can also choose your notification settings, none in case of an error, in case of success, or other advanced notification options. For now, I'm just going to leave this as none. Under the advanced settings, you can set up a proxy and other critical advanced settings and folder management settings. But for now, everything looks good here, so I'm going to close this and click on Save. Alright, so now my Salesforce CRM Enricher Phantom is ready to launch. All I need to do now is click on Launch. Now, depending on how much data you're importing into Salesforce, this may take some time. Alright, so my Salesforce CRM Enricher Phantom has finished running. Now, if I want to check the data that I've imported, all I need to do is go to my Salesforce CRM under Contacts. Here I can see all of the data that I've just imported into my Salesforce CRM account. Alright, so that was the Salesforce CRM Enricher Phantom. To get started using this Phantom, be sure to head on over to PhantomBuster.com and create your account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.